Hi friends, welcome to our channel Padma Vyugam. Today we see about Indian states and union territories, their capitals and year of formation. Before going to your video, please subscribe our channel and get more videos about general knowledge. India is a federal union, is comprising with 28 states and 8 union territories. The first state is Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Amaravati. It was formed as a state on 1st October 1953. It was divided from Madras province. The next state is Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. It was gained union territory status on 20th January 1972 and it also renamed as Arunachal Pradesh. Before it is known as Northeast Frontier Agency. It was formed as a state on 20th February 1987. It is also known as Land of Sunrise in India. The third state is Assam. Capital of Assam is Dispur. It was attained statehood on 26 January 1950. It is connected with West Bengal via Siliguri corridor. The fourth state is Bihar and its capital Patna. In 15th November 2000, Jharkhand was split from Bihar. The state was formed on 26 January 1950. And next state is Chhattisgarh and its capital is Raipur. It was divided from Madhya Pradesh in November 2000. It was formed as a state on 1st November 2000. The next state is Goa and its capital is Panaji. It was joined as a union territory with India on 1961 through the Operation Vijay. It was attained statehood on 30th May 1987. Up to 1987, it was only a union territory. The next state is Gujarat. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar from the year of 1970. Ahmedabad is the capital of Gujarat before 1970. In 1956, Gujarat was formed from Bombay state. After that, it attained statehood on 1st May 1960. The next state is Haryana. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Haryana was formed as one of the states from the Punjab province. It was formed as a state in the year of 1966. The next state is Himachal Pradesh. Capital is Simla. It was the union territory in the period of 1948 to 1971. After that, it was attained statehood on 25th January 1971. The next state is Jharkhand. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. It was divided from Bihar in 2000. It was formed as a state on 15th November 2000. The next state is Karnataka. Capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. It was formed as a Mysore state on 1st November 1956. After that, it was renamed as Karnataka in 1973. The next state is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. It was attained statehood on 1st November 1956. The next state is Madhya Pradesh and its capital is Bhopal. In November 2000, Chhattisgarh was split from Madhya Pradesh. It was formed as a state on 1st November 1956. It is also India's second largest state in area-wise. Next state is Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. It was attained statehood on 1st May 1960. In 1956, Maharashtra was formed from Bombay state. The next state is Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Previously, it was a part of British Burma. It was unified with India on 15th October 1949. In 1956, it was attained Union Territory status. After that, it was formed as a state on 21st January 1972. The next state is Meghalaya and its capital is Shillong. It was divided from Assam in 1969. It has autonomous status with effective from the date of 2nd April 1970. It was formed as a state on 21st January 1972. The next state is Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. It was a union territory from the date of 21st January 1972. After that, it was formed as a state from the date of 20th February 1987. It was born as a 23rd state of India. The next state is Nagaland. Capital is Kohima. It was formed as a state on 1st December 1963. It was born as 16th state of India. The next state is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. It was attained statehood on 1st April 1936. The next state is Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Punjab province divided into 2 states and 1 union territory. Punjab is the one of the state in Punjab province. It was formed as a state in the year of 1966. The next state is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. It was attained statehood on 26 January 1950. It is also known as India's largest state in area-wise. The next state is Sikkim. Its capital is Gangtok. It was joining as a 22nd Indian state on 15th May 1975. It is also known as India's first organic state. The next state is Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. It was formed as a Madras state on 1st November 1956. After that, it was renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. The next state is Telangana. Its capital is Hyderabad. It was divided from Andhra Pradesh. It was formed as a state on 2nd June 2014. The next state is Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. It was unified with India on 9th September 1949. It was became an Indian Union territory in 1st November 1956. It was formed as a state on 21st January 1972. The next state is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand was split from Uttar Pradesh on 9th November 2000. United provinces were renamed as Uttar Pradesh, which effect from 24th January 1950. The next state is Uttarakhand. Capital is Dehradun. It was divided from Uttar Pradesh and becomes a 27th state in India. It was formed as a state on 9th November 2000. It is known as Uttarakhand from 1st January 2007. Up to 2006, it is known as Uttaranchal. The next state is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. It was formed as a state on 26 January 1950. It was a 13th place in India according to area-wise and also occupies 4th place in population of India. Next, we have to see the Indian Union territories. First one is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Its capital is Port Blair. It was formed as a union territory on 1st November 1956. Totally 572 islands are there. There are only 37 islands are inhabited islands. In 37, important islands are Ras Island, Viper Island, Sentinel Island and Southern Island. Next union territory is Chandigarh. Its capital also Chandigarh. It was formed as a union territory on 1st November 1966. It was split from previous Punjab province. Next union territory is Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Its capital is Daman. Previously, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu are two union territories. One of the union territory is Dadra Nagar Haveli with the capital of Silvassa. And next union territory is Daman and Diu with the capital of Daman. In 26 January 2020, Daman and Diu merged with Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The next union territory is Delhi. Its capital is Delhi. It was formed in the year of 1911. It was formed as a union territory in the year of 1956. It was became a national capital territory of India on 1st February 1992. Next union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Previously, Jammu and Kashmir is the state. It was converted into two union territories such as Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Jammu in the winter season from the month of November to April. After that, Srinagar is the summer capital from the month of May to October. Capital of Ladakh is Leh. This reorganization was effective from the date of 31st October 2019. The next union territory is Lakshadweep. capital is Kavaratti. It was formed as a union territory on 1st November 1956. Totally 36 islands are there. The people was living in only 17 islands. It is formerly known as Laccadive, Minikaitive and Aminitive Islands. Next union territory is Puducherry. Its capital is Puducherry. It was formed as a union territory in the year of 1954, 1st November. Thanks for watching our video and sharing your valuable time with us. Please subscribe our channel and get more videos about general knowledge. Please share your comment with us. It is useful or not.